Luxury meets timeless heritage. Let's explore Gateway Bekal. As soon as you arrive at Gateway Bekal, you're welcomed with warm hospitality. Every corner reflects the state's rich culture and elegance. It was a true delight to meet the incredible Mr. Shyamala Nair, who's bringing Kasaragod's culinary heritage to life. We began with the refreshing raw mango granita, perfect start to the true flavors of Kerala. The Vaithilinga chutney with Chakka Payasam was honestly my favorite, followed by traditional accompaniments, the delicate Niriya dosa, best mutton pepper fry, flavor-packed traditional curries, the flavors of Kasaragod you truly cannot miss. We loved the cashew curry, the aromatic ghee rice, and ended on the sweetest note with the delicious Chakka Payasam, which was absolutely heavenly and also followed by tea. This exclusive culinary experience is happening only from the 30th July to the 1st of August and again from the 6th of August to the 8th of August. So make sure you don't miss it. And Gateway Bekal has so much more to offer. From washing traditional weaving, relaxing by the pool, luxurious rooms, rejuvenating spa, paddle boating, kayaking, and ending your evening with a delightful high tea spread. We also got to see the traditional Mohiniyattam. After spending the whole day here, one thing is for sure. This is the place where heritage meets hospitality in the best way possible. Gateway Bekal, a place that's truly worth experiencing.